Boat race is a part of which of the following festivals? Answer is option C, Onam. What is the unit of measurement of angular velocity? Answer is option A, radian per second. Harappa was situated on the banks of which river? Answer is option D, Ravi. Which of the following is the work of Subhash Chandra Bose? Answer is option A, the Indian struggle. What is the main function of valves in veins? Answer is option D, preventing blood from flowing backwards. Merdeka Palace is located in which of the following country? Answer is option C, Jakarta. Who among the following was the first woman judge of the High Court? Answer is option A, Anna Chandi. Who is the first woman judge of Supreme Court of India? Answer is option B, Fatima Bibi. The first woman Chief Justice of High Court in India was? Answer is option B, Leela Seth. Which of the following is the location closest to the center of the earth on the sea coast? Answer is option D, North Pole. Which gas is used as a fuel in a rocket? Answer is option C, hydrogen. Which organelle helps in osmoregulation of cell? Answer is option A, vacuole. In which of the following is Galathi National Park situated? Answer is option C, Andaman and Nicobar Island. In spite of being a non-member, who among the following can participate in the proceedings of either House of Parliament without having the right to vote? Answer is option B, the Attorney General of India. Which of the following is the allotropic form of carbon? Answer is option A, graphite. What is the full form of D in DRAM? Answer is option C, dynamic. What is viticulture? Answer is option B, production of grapes. What is the major component of LPG? Answer is option D, butane. Which of the following are called thrombocytes? Answer is option D, platelets. Which of the following salts present in water is the cause of blue baby syndrome? Answer is option C, nitrates. Which of the following classes does bacteria represent? Answer is option A, Monera. National income in India is measured in terms of? Answer is option B, net national product at factor cost. Which of the following is not an inert gas? Answer is option D, fluorine. Positron, antiparticle of electron, was discovered by? Answer is option C, Carl David Anderson. Rice cooks faster in pressure cooker because? Answer is option A, high pressure raises the boiling point of water. Pulitzer Prize is awarded for outstanding work in the field of? Answer is option C, literature and journalism. The magnitude of an earthquake is measured by? Answer is option B, Richter scale. The Gandhara style, a style of Buddhist visual arts, is a combination of the Indian style with? Answer is option B, Kushan style. At which of the following places is the confluence of the rivers Ganga and Yamuna? Answer is option C, Prayagraj. National Science Day is celebrated in India on 28th February each year. Answer is option A, to mark the discovery of the Raman effect. Which of the following article of the Indian Constitution deals with the fundamental duties? Answer is option C, Article 51A. Impeachment against the President of India can be done in. Answer is option A, either House of Parliament. What is the meaning of gilt edge market? Answer is option C, market of government securities. Testosterone is secreted from. Answer is option D, Leydig cells. Site of respiration in bacteria is. Answer is option B, mesosome. Which of the following fungi is used for the commercial production of citric acid? Answer is option C, Aspergillus. Which of the following rulers overthrew the Shishunag dynasty and established a new line of kings known as the Nandas? Answer is option D, Mahapadma. Which ruler of the Pala Empire patronized the great universities of Nalanda and Vikramshila? Answer is option A, Dharampal. Who among the following refused to participate in the third round table conference on 17th November 1932? Answer is option C, both A and B, means the Indian National Congress and the Labour Party from Britain. Photochemical smoke always has. Answer is option C, ozone. Which state has maximum area of mangrove forest? Answer is option B, West Bengal. What is the chemical name of laughing gas? Answer is option C, nitrous oxide. During the fermentation of sugar, the compound always formed is. Answer is option A, ethyl alcohol. What is the capital of Republic of Zambia? Answer is option A, Lusaka. International Girl Child Day is celebrated every year. Answer is option B, 11th October. For what reason does a diamond not conduct electricity? Answer is option D, due to absence of free electrons. Kanpur is situated on the banks of which of the following river? Answer is option C, Ganga. In which year the Bannerghatta National Park was declared as a national park in the Indian state of Karnataka? Answer is option A, 1974. Who among the following founded the Prarthana Samaj in Bombay in 1867? Answer is option B, Atmaram Pandurang. For changing a galvanometer into a voltmeter, we should connect. Answer is option D, high resistance in series.